Add token to Metamask. How to add token to Metamask. Now, first of all, make sure that you add the Athene Parthenon chain to Metamask. Now go to browse icon, and as you can see, make sure that you have a account or that you connect your Athene Parthenon chain to Metamask. Now, how to be able to add token Ath to our Metamask? Just tap on your icon wallet and tap on settings. Now after that, go back and tap on the three lines. Now after that, tap on the tokens, and now tap on tokens again. And now wait for a few seconds. And now, as you can see, this little icon of MetaMask, now tap on it and make sure it is under the Athene network and under the Ath token. Now tap on it. Tap on this little icon. After that, tap on Add Token. And as you can see, the imported token successfully imported, and as you can successfully add the token to your wallet. So this is how to add token to MetaMask wallet. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.